So today I'm gonna show you how I transformed this tiger 3D Perler. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. So when I told my friend that I can make 3D Perler, she asked me if I can make this Haofu tiger for her daughter. So I don't know why, but I said yes, and I thought there's a pattern for it, but there's none. But I found this one on Pinterest that looks very close to a little tiger. And if you want the link to this one, I'm gonna add it to a pinned comment below so you can click into it, or you can just screenshot of this one. So I followed the pattern and I built this one. Look, here it is. And I was really proud until I compared the picture and I was like, oh, maybe it's not very close. So I continued looking at the picture of Haofu, and he has clothes, he has a happy face, and he has all that, and I have a tiger base. So I decided to break it apart and incorporate the color that Haofu has, and then also adding the face, also adding the features you can see in the pictures. As you can see, I take it apart and then I work piece to piece to compare the colors. If you look carefully in this picture, you can see I have already built the Haofu that I want, and all these pieces here that I built that didn't really work. So after a couple hours of redesigning the colors and the feature, and here he is, I'm comparing him with my pictures and he looked just perfect. So here's my friend's little daughter and she loves the Haofu 3D Perler. So the following is just a recording of how I put the pieces together to build this 3D Perler. Not really a tutorial, but if you're interested, maybe put a comment below and let me know. And in the future when I have time, I can put it together. So also check out my other 3D Perler tutorial video. I'm gonna put the link in the description and also a link on the top so you can just easily click into it. So stay tuned. I have more awesome video coming up. If you're new here, your first time here, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button with the bell so you're gonna get alert for all the amazing new video coming up. And maybe stick around and watch the video until the end, or I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!